Hello, welcome to Swipe. If your business deals with medical products, here's how you can create invoices with batch and expiry details in Swipe. To begin, first add a product with batch and expiry tracking enabled. To do that, go to Products and Services and click on New Item. Enter all the required product details like product name. Enable the batch and expiry option. Please note that this feature is available in the Jet plan. Add primary unit and enable alternative units by enabling this toggle if required. Enter HSN code. And barcode you can either type or generate automatically. Once all the details are filled, click on Add Item. Once the product is created, proceed to add batch details for that product. To do that, click on Add New button. Enter information such as batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, selling price, and purchase price. Add opening quantity and other required details. Once everything is added, click on Save. After saving, a batch identifier will be linked to the product. Now, to create an invoice with batch-enabled products, go to the Sales dashboard. Click on Create Invoice. Add customer details, then select the product with batch details while adding items to the invoice. Enter quantity and click on Add. Save the invoice, and the invoice will be created with the batch details included. To view the invoice, click on View. Here you can see the batch number, manufacturing date, and expiry date is not in separate columns. If you want them to appear in separate columns, go to Settings. In Preferences, go to Product and Inventory. Click on Batch. Here you can make changes that you want. Simply enable the Show Batch Details option and save changes. Once done, go back to Sales dashboard. Then view the invoice again to see the updated format. Here you can see batch number, manufacturing date, and expiry date is in separate columns. That's it for today. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next video.